Hello, doctor, dentist, and my dear friends. I am your host Nikhil Vash, the co founder of TEN, the Education Network. In our series of videos, today I try to highlight some economical factors that may convince doctors and dentists to do medical PG from Germany. Talking about some of the big economical factors, the first one, namely, is the GDP. Germany is the fourth biggest GDP, the gross domestic product on the planet after US, China and Japan. Germany is also a founder member of the European Union and the Eurozone. The economy of Germany is highly developed social market economy. It has the largest national economy in Europe, the fourth largest by nominal GDP in the world, and fifth by GDP PPP. The country accounted for 28% of the euro area economy according to IMF. Talking about the economical stability, Germany recorded the highest trade surplus in the world worth 310 billion US dollars, making Germany the biggest capital exporter globally. Germany is one of the largest exporters globally with around 1500 billion US dollars worth of goods and services exported. The service sector contributes around 70% of the total GDP. Talking about the health expenditure, in Germany, it accounts for nearly 400 billion euros, or so as to say, accounts for around 4,800 euros per inhabitant. The Federal Statistical Office reported that this was around 4% increase compared to the previous year. The health expenditure accounts for nearly 12% of the total gross domestic product GDP of Germany. Comparing this to India, India is ranked around 184th out of the 191 countries in terms of GDP percentage spent on healthcare as per World Health Organization. A mere 70 euros per inhabitant. The average healthcare spend in India is among the lowest when compared to other countries. At present, the government spending on the healthcare industry stands at mere 1.15% of the total Indian GDP. More money for the medical healthcare is a direct influencer for better medical training, better technology, better infrastructure, better working condition, and better salary for doctors and dentists. Taking it further from here, let me try to talk about the SDI, the Human Development Index. The Human Development Index, developed by the United Nations Development Programme (UNDP), is a summary measure of average achievements in in three key dimensions of human development. Namely, they are a long and healthy life, second one, access to knowledge, and the third and the last, a decent standard of living. Germany, with the SDI value of 0.939, corresponds to rank 4 out of the 189 countries and territories around the globe. That is really phenomenal. This value reflects that Germany belongs to the very high human development category, together with countries like Norway, Switzerland, and Ireland. India is ranked near 129 with SDI of around 0.647. Talking about income per capita, Germany is positioned at one of the top countries in the world. According to the World Bank, the income per capita in Germany is around $48,000. It is equivalent to 377% of the world's average. It is much higher than France, UK, UAE, and even New Zealand. And it corresponds to nearly 85% of the US with its per capita income of around $55,000 per annum. Per capita income in India is around $2,200 per person, meaning a person in Germany is earning nearly 24 times more in average to an Indian. These are doctors, some of the economical factors which truly make Germany the perfect place for you as a doctor or a dentist to settle and get qualified as a specialist. So, friends, challenges are a part of life. You're all allowed to scream, you're all allowed to cry, but don't you dare give up. I wish all the doctors and dentists best of luck. And if you got any queries, any concerns, you can reach us back on the number shown on the screen, and do follow us on Insta, Facebook, and LinkedIn. I'm Nikhil Vai signing off. I thank you all for giving your precious time to go through this small video. I hope it comes to some benefit to you. I wish you all the best. Bye bye. Take care. See you again. Bye.